Daniela, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Why You So Obsessed With Me TikTok trend, which is really different from the other trends because this time we're going to do it on a chair. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below, and now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. So if you haven't noticed yet, we're going to need a chair for this dance, and our legs are going to be together. So what we're going to do, the first thing is we're going to go one. So for our right leg, we're going to stand, only our heel is going to touch the floor, and it goes forward a little bit. And for our left leg, it goes back, and we're going to stand only on our toes, just like that. So one. Then we're gonna put our legs together. We're gonna step to the side. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So once again, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the beginning, it might look a little bit confusing, but you just practice and practice and practice. You can rewind if you want at any part you don't really understand, and then we're gonna move on. So after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this might look a little bit confusing, not gonna lie. So what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna cross our legs like this. So first, our right leg goes forward. We're gonna stand on our heel, and our toes are looking inwards, if that makes sense. So our heel goes outwards and toes go inwards. Same with the other leg, just that it goes back, and we're gonna stand on our toes like that. So after that, what we're gonna do is our heels are gonna go inwards and our toes are gonna go outwards. So 1, 2, and then we're just gonna switch 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're gonna do after this is we're gonna put our legs together. So we're gonna step 3 times. We're gonna put them together, then a little bit apart, and separate them a little bit more. So 1, 2, 3. There have to be 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our left leg down. And then for our right leg, we're gonna go 1 and put it down, 2, put it down. I know it might look a little bit weird, but when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this. And then what we're gonna do after that, we're gonna do it twice, and then our right leg is gonna go here, and then it's gonna stop, and for like about half a second, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna be rolling your arms. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna do it slow, and then we're gonna do it fast. So first let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna do it a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Yeah, yeah.